Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are gonna keep on the cleaning, reorganizing my room trend. I am planning on shooting a makeup tutorial because one of you, Cindy, asked for a makeup tutorial. I am gonna do that. I might shoot it next week. We'll see how my... Oh, don't look at my nails. They're busted. I will paint them, promise. But I will shoot that next week, maybe during the week or next Saturday, depending on my mood. But for today, we are going to be tackling this. Yes, it's a bit scary, but we're going to figure out what we're going to do. So this is my bookshelf slash where I keep all my makeup slash all of my nail polishes. So what we're going to do is figure out what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of. I might also go through my makeup and show you what I like and what I don't like. So I guess it's a help me organize my makeup slash organize my bookshelf. So let's get started. Oh, if you're wondering where the light is coming from, I ordered this ring light off of Amazon. I think it was like 50 bucks or something, but highly recommend it. Look how cute this is. It has 3 settings. So this is the white light, then you got daylight, and then you have like this yellow light, but we're gonna keep it on this because that's what I like. So back to organizing.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows. We'll make a new
So I was going to show my process of going through all my makeup and cleaning it up, but that's not gonna happen. That's gonna be a separate video of detoxing, going through and decluttering my makeup, because here is all my makeup. Yes, I know it's scary, but we will see it in a different video, me decluttering it. I think what I'm gonna do is show you the process of how I'm gonna organize my shelving unit, and then do a separate video for decluttering my makeup. So there'll be 3 videos posted, maybe not this week, but there's gonna be more content on my channel. So let's get to organizing my shelves. As you can see, I started organizing this top shelf. I didn't show the full me doing it because I don't think you want to see me cleaning and dusting it. That's not exciting. That's kind of boring. But in this container, I'm going to put all my face stuff. This one's going to be all like lip, eye products. I got this mirror for my birthday from my best friend. Shout out to her because she knows I did not have a mirror and I've been doing my makeup in my bathroom, which is also a mess, which will be another video me cleaning that. But you'll notice I have these 2 jars here. So I try not to reuse eyeliners and lipsticks, so I can just go through products so I can test them out, see if I like them or not. So I put them in here, so I'm like, if I use it, it goes in here so I can try a different product. And I normally do that weekly, so once a week is up, then I put them back into where they belong so it looks nice and clean. So the idea I'm thinking for here is my makeup, and the behind I'll have like my perfumes and the lotions that I'm going to be using. So I'll probably maybe in front of the mirror. I know, we'll play around with it and see how it goes. But yeah, let's start putting makeup.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows.
Final product of organizing my makeup. These 3 didn't fit on here, but it's fine. I might put some lipsticks if it doesn't fit all into this. I mean, I should, because I'm not going to put my nail stuff in these containers. I'll probably put it over by where my jewelry is. That'll be another video for you guys. But yeah, it's looking good. I might have to retouch this up because this is a little bit all over the place. Let's actually put all these bad boys together. So yeah, looking nice.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows.
So this is the final look. So I put all my body sprays over here, going from the most almost empty to the most full. I have my little perfumes down here. I'm not gonna use this one because it has a weird opening, but I do love this one. I also put my most current lotion that I'm using. This is the Anthropology Murray Beauty. I don't know, but it smells really good. Actually, no, I'm not using this one. My bad. This one is the one I'm using. Human Plus Kind Body Souffle. Oh, I almost forgot. Were you even a teenager growing up if you didn't have Love Spell? Funny story about this. So I used up my Love Spell in college. Tell me why my friend got this for me as a graduation present. So I'm stuck with it again. So let's reorganize this. I was wondering why my count was off. Should we? So this one. There we go. Because it is late, I think I'm going to tackle the rest of the shelving tomorrow, but this looks really good. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Oh, actually, yeah, I'll figure out a place for, actually we do need this one. Yeah. So yeah, I do need to find space for my other items. These I'll figure out where they'll go tomorrow. All right, guys, so I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Welcome back to day 2 of cleaning my bookshelf. So today we're going to tackle the rest of the shelving, hopefully. That's the goal, at least. So right now I'm going to tackle the first shelf, like just organizing all the books I read. Well, not read. I read all these books, minus that one. But yeah, I'm gonna go through, see what books I want to keep, which ones I don't. I'm gonna definitely move the nail polishes because I have a separate section in my room that where it's gonna go. And then I need to find a frame or a corkboard for this bad boy. So 3 Christmases ago, my old job and I did a white elephant, and this is a scratchable world map to show where you've been. So I really want to hang this up. Yes, I know I haven't done my nails yet. Don't judge me. Anyway, so we are going to work on this today. It looks so much better. I mean, this is not the final product of what it's going to look like because I do have more books that are going to be placed on this shelf once I'm done reading it. But so far, so good. I really like it. Next, we're going to tackle this monstrosity. So I'm thinking here I'm going to put all my cookbooks, home organizing books, and then my makeup palettes. So I'm also probably going to do a declutter of my makeup palettes. Honestly, probably not, because I do use them all. But we'll just probably just clean them up and go through them. And let's move this bad boy. But yeah, so let's get started. Now, this looks nice. So I decided to put my mini ears in different sections of my bookshelf. So I have this one on top of my palette. Well, it's a mixture. So in here's my palette and then extras of my face products. So like my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, my backups for my eyebrow products, more eyeshadow palettes with my mini ears with my bell bow on it. And then I have my concha ears and the Disney mini rose gold ears. So it's looking really nice. And then the final step I'm going to do is organizing this bottom drawer, which I will just probably make it miscellaneous and my coloring stuff, because I do like to do adult coloring books. And maybe I'll have this as an extension of the top where all my reading books will be. So yeah, let's get this started and we'll be done organizing this whole section. So this is the final look. It's nice and organized. Everything is in its place. Oop, that mini ear fell, but it's fine. But yeah, I think, yeah, this is the most organized this shelving unit has ever been. Oh, can't forget my boot. I think I'll put it right there. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching me organize my bookshelf. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see in the next video, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.